Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and today I got a nice interior update for you. Do you sometimes look at your interior and think, ugh, it could do with something more fun? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can inject a bit of color into your interior. This big grey wall behind me, I was looking at that today and thought, you know what, it needs a bit of a change. It's been grey for a while, was white before, but instead of completely changing the whole wall, which is quite a heavy impact and a lot of work, I'm just going to add a shape. Don't know what shape yet, we're going to see what I can come up with from the painting. Don't know what color yet, I'm just going to look at my shed and see what paint I have left. You can do the same, or you can pick up a paint at your local DIY shop, or maybe even try a tester pot. This can be like a tester pot project for you. But it's going to be a bit of fun, because I got a stinking cold and I want a bit of fun today. So let's see what I can come up with. I realised I didn't really have a set planned like I said, because when I was measuring, I was actually measuring this side of the door, because I thought maybe just go around the door a bit of asymmetric. Then I thought maybe it's more fun just to come out of the door and go into the corner, so also paint a bit of the white wall. So that's a shape sorted. Now I'm just going to see what the colours. I found 3 nice paints in my shed that I could use: a green, a yellow or a pink. Can't really make my mind up, so I might just give them a little teeny tiny test, all of them, and see which one I like best. These are all Annie Sloan chalk paints. This is the Lemon, and I was thinking initially that this one could be really cute, but I'm not quite sure because it looks like I might need 2 layers, or maybe just didn't mix the paint well enough. This is the Henrietta, which is like purpley pink, which is really nice. It's the same color I also painted the windowsill from that tutorial from a few months back. And this is the English mustard, which I painted Kiki's room in. Don't know. Sort of thinking green, but also look like I might need 2 layers. Yellow's nice, or maybe it's too bold. I might have settled for pink. I don't know, just gonna have a cup of coffee on the side then. Okay, I'll be back. Guess what? Went for yellow. Who would have known? I'm just gonna do the edges with a small brush, and then gonna do the rest with a bigger brush. My walls are not completely smooth, so I find if you do a bit of accent colours, like not too big, a brush is a really nice way to go. And don't go too neat, just do random strokes, like you see me go up, down, crisscross, because I think you get the nicest effect then. This paint I'm using actually is a wall paint. It's an Annie Sloan wall paint, but you can use the normal chalk paint on your wall as well. That looks more fun already. But this on the first coat. I was really hoping I just had to do 1 coat, but it is a little bit patchy in places. Don't mind it so much on the white, on the grey. I think it definitely needs a 2nd coat. So I'm gonna wrap my brush in some aluminium foil and have a little half an hour break and then do a 2nd coat. So I just finished the 2nd coat. It looks nice, I think. It's not completely even, but you're never gonna get it because this has a grey undertone, that has a white undertone. I think it looks really cute. Letting this dry for about 20 minutes and I'm gonna take the tape off. Well, that sure adds a bit of color to my interior. It's very dark now outside, as you can see by the change in light, but that gives so much fun. Nice bit of injection of joy. Sorry, Kik's making so much noise in the background. How are you doing, Missy? Wanna come in the video? Do you like the yellow? Do you like it? Well, if you like it as much as Kiki, please give the video a big thumbs up and have a look at all my other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. I'll be back soon with a new video and I really hope to see you then. Kiki, say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you soon.